Welcome! In front of me I have a MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the settings icon. And after you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system and select it. Here, and scroll down and find the option called a date and time. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the option called use 24-hour format. And if you want to change the time format to 12-hour format, you need to disable this option. So tap on the switch to flick it off, and now the time format will be in 12 hours. If you want to use the 24-hour format, tap on the switch to flick it on, and now the format will be in 24 hours. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.